Good morning, dear students. We start time chapter, and in last previous Zoom period and in video, I explained this telling time to 5 minutes correctness. Okay, so you have to draw this picture, that is the clock, in your notebook and solve my practice time 2 in the test book. So today I repeat it again. You have to draw this clock in the notebook, and you everybody know there are 1 to 12 numbers, and in between these two numbers 5 minutes are there. So you say that 5 minute past, 10 minute past. Okay, some important points are there, so you have to write in the notebook. See here, telling time to 5 minutes correctness. Okay, first draw clock from textbook, means you have to draw this picture in the notebook. Here there are 12 big divisions, means how many divisions? 12. And big division means that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. That is the big divisions or numbers on its face. In between two numbers there are 5 smaller divisions. In between these two numbers there are 5 uh, smaller division, that is called, each smaller division represent a minute. Means this smaller division here 1 2 3 here. See here 1 2 3 4 5, that is called smaller division and it's represent a minute. Okay, when the minute hand moves from one number to the next, 5 minutes have passed. Means if move that 12 to 1, that is the 5 minute passed. Then 1 to 2, again 5 minute passed. Then this 5 plus 5, that is 10 minute passed, like this. Okay, when minute hand moves from 12 to 3, means I explained already, when minute hand moves from 12 to 3. Here see, minute hand moves from 12 to 3, means this 5 minute, this 5 minute, this 5 minutes. So you have to this 5 add, otherwise multiply. Means 12 to 3 means 3 multiply by 5 minutes, because in between two numbers there are 5 minutes are there and it move up to 3. So 3 multiplied by 5, that is 15 minutes covered or passed. Then 12 to 5 means 5 multiplied by 5. Here see, 12 to 5 means here 5 in these two numbers, this is 5 multiplied by 5, that is the 25 minute covered. Then 12 to 8 means 8 multiplied by 5, that is 40 minutes covered. Okay, now we solve my practice time 2. First solve in the textbook, and you have to write and draw clock my practice time 2, question number 1 A B C D and question number 2 E F G H in the notebooks. Means you have to copy that question number 1 and 2, question number 1 A B C D and question number 2 E F G H, you have to write in the notebook. Now see my practice time 2. Here look at the clock shown here and write the time in two ways one has been done for you. See the question number 1. See the clock here. This is hour hand, this is the minute hand. So see carefully, hour has in between the 3 and 4 number and minute hand is on 7. So what is the time? Here 3:35 minutes. Means see here 5, 5, 5. You have to multiply. So right here 3:35 means 25 minutes to 4. Okay. Means see here 30 and 35 minutes covered, but remaining 25 minutes left to 4. So here write down 25 minutes to 4. Here time is 5:40. See here our hand is on 6 or in between 5 and 6, and minute hand is on 8. So here if you count this, means 5 multiplied by 8, that is the 40 minutes, and time is 5:40, and left 20 minutes. So 20 minute to 6 मीन्स 6 बजने के लिए 20 मिनट कम है. यहाँ पे 4 बजने के लिए 25 मिनट कम है. सो यू हैव टू काउंट लेफ्ट मिनट एंड राइट डाउन हियर. देन हियर सी आवर हैंड एंड मिनट हैंड. हियर 6:20. हियर see hour hand in between 6 and 7, and minute hand is on 4. So 4 multiplied by 5, that is 20, and here 6. So 6:20. Okay. And how many left? That is the 40 minute left. So 40 minutes to 7. So write down that next number. Here 40 minute to 7 means 40 minute कम है 7 बजने के लिए. ओके. नाउ सी डी. हियर 12:10. सी our hand is on 12 and minute hand is on 2. So here 5 and 5. 5 multiplied by 2, that is 10, and this one 12. So 12:10. And left, that is the remaining 50 minutes to 3. Next number 3. So 50 minutes left for 3. So 50 minutes to 3. Write down like this. Then next here E, F, G, H. You have to write your time, and you have to express your 2 ways. Okay. Then we solve draw and hour hand and minute hand to show the given time in the clock. Okay. Now see here A. Here time is 4:20. Means you have to draw minute hand on 4 and hour hand in between 4 and 5, otherwise on 4. Okay. So 4:20 means 4:20 हो गए. So you have to draw here properly 4:20, and 20 means here 5, 5, 5. You have to count 5 4s are 20. Okay. Now here 10 minutes to 9 means 10 minutes left है. 10 minutes to 9. So 10 minutes left रह गए हैं 9 बजने के लिए. So you have to draw hour hand in between 8 and 9, and minute hand is on 10. Okay. Then 25 minutes past 11 means 25 minutes हो गए हैं 11 बजकर. इसलिए you have to draw hour hand is on 5, and minute hand hour hand is in between 11 and 12, and minute hand is on 5. So 5 5s are 25. So here 25 minutes past means हो गए हैं. Here 11. Okay. So 11:25 is the time. Now next 6:05 means 6 बजकर 5 minutes हो गए. So you have to draw hour hand is on 6 and minute hand is on 1. That is the 5 minutes. So is on 1. So you have to draw hands. Then E 20 minutes to 8 means 8 बजने के लिए 20 minutes कम है. So how many minutes are left? You have to show here. Here 20 minutes left. So you have to draw. Minute hand is on 8 and 2 8. So you have to draw hour hand in between 7 and 8. Okay. Now here 5:35 means 5 बजकर 35 minutes हो गए. So you have to draw hour hand in between 5 and 6, otherwise 5, and here minute hand is on 7. So 5:35. Okay. Then 20 minutes to 11. So 11 बजने के लिए 20 minutes कम है. So you have to draw. You have to draw this hand in the textbook, and ABCD question number 1 ABCD you have to draw in the notebook also, and question number 2 EFGH you have to draw and write in the notebook. Okay, you have to copy it. Then question number 3, tick the correct answer. Time taken to eat lunch. So you have to eat lunch. So what is the time to eat lunch? Here 20 minutes, 10 hours, 2 hours and 5 minutes. So your lunch is 20 minutes. 10 hours is possible. मीन्स हम 10 घंटे खाते हैं क्या, 2 घंटे खाते हैं क्या? सो यू हैव टू इमेजिन दैट. 5 मिनट में आपका लंच होता है क्या? नहीं. सो योर टाइम इज 20 मिनट्स. सो टाइम टेकन टू ईट लंच 20 मिनट्स. सो टिक देयर. ओके. वी ब्रश आवर टीथ इन डैश मिनट्स. 25 minutes, 35 minutes, 45 minutes or 5 minutes. So we brush our teeth in 5 minutes, not 25, 35 minutes. Okay. Then see how many big divisions are there on the clock's face. Big division, I already explained that. Means how many divisions are there big? Here see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 is the answer. So how many big divisions are there on the clock's face? So 12. Then each smaller division between the numbers on a clock represent means between these two numbers, the smaller division is called the minute. So you have to tick minutes. Here option is day, minute, second or hour. So smaller division it's called minutes. Okay. Now we start calendar. So everybody know in calendar what represent their months. How many months are there? 12 months. And in a week 7 days are there. So already we learn in second standard also. So I explain it here. A calendar helps us to know the days and months of year. Okay. Now see here. Here calendar, that is a calendar helps us to know the days and months of a year. Means in calendar there are months, then days also. Okay. There are 12 months in a year and 7 days in a week. A year consists of 365 days. A leap year consists of 366 days. Means in a year there are total 365 days, and in a leap year there are 366 days. So that is called leap year. A leap year occurs once in every 4 years. Means 4 year में एक बार leap year आता है. Okay. In a leap year there are 29 days in the month of February. Means जिस साल में 29 डेज होते हैं फेब्रुआरी के, that is called leap year. Okay. Means in leap year there are 29 days in month of February. Okay. Now we write here months and dates. See here how many months are there? 12 months. So here write down month January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And here you have to write dates. In January there are 31 dates. February 28 or 29. In March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30, then July 31, August 31. See carefully here, July and August same days are there. Okay, 31, 31. In September 30, October 31 and November 30, December 30. So you have to remember this. So some